Hello lovely people, I'm Akanksha and welcome to Get Like Akanksha. Today's video is yet another Nykaa haul, and basically all these products are like my refills and daily essential products. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first product is this Plum Green Tea Face Mask. Now I have already talked about this in one of my videos, I guess. And this is very good for pimples and oily, acne prone skin wale people, It has green tea and it really helps to soothe and calm your skin. This is how it looks. It comes in this outer cardboard packaging. I love this. I have already finished one tub and this is like my second tub. Next up is a moisturizer. So for the longest time now, I have been ordering the Face Shop Rice and Ceramide Moisturizer. Now why I said that I have been ordering, because I have ordered it thrice already, but the order is just not getting delivered. It's not even getting shipped, by the way, so I can't wait anymore. So I grabbed this The Body Shop Vitamin E Moisture Cream. You also have two more variants of the vitamin E. There's the Intense Moisture Cream and also the Gel Creme. I got the normal moisture cream and it is really good. I mean, I've used it just once yesterday because I got all this stuff delivered yesterday itself. So yeah, I've just used it once. I will definitely use this consistently for a few more days, and then I am thinking of putting out a review of this. So do let me know if you really want that review. So yeah. So far so good. I am liking it. Next up, I got two beauty blenders from Nykaa. So they have some very nice beauty blenders and makeup brushes and stuff. So I got these. This is a pink one. They also have 5 or 4 other shades as well, in case you are interested in very colorful sort of a beauty blenders. But I went for the pink one. I like it. I haven't used it yet. Let's find out how they work, but I am just hoping that these work fine. Next up, I got another moisturizer from Nivea. So this is the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer. It has vitamin E. I have been using this since I don't know when, but I discontinued using it. I just got this because it was on a sale. I don't even know why I got this. So yeah, you get 100 ml of products in this and it retails for 160 rupees. Pretty cheap. मतलब बहुत ही ज़्यादा cheap है. 160 rupees for 100 ml. And the Body Shop one, on the other hand, you get just 50 ml of product and it retails for 995 rupees. So okay, so then I got a product from L'Oreal. So this is the L'Oreal Crystal Micro Essence. I know you have been looking and hearing about this product for I don't know how long on YouTube. Like, I see every other YouTuber talking about this product and claiming that it is so good, it does this, it does that. But honestly, can you see? I don't know if you can, but I am halfway down and I don't like this product like at all. I won't even lie to you. I don't like it at all. I don't know what is the hype about this, what it's gonna do to your skin. I completely have no idea. But yeah, you get 22 ml of products and this is the tiniest one. As you can tell, it retails for 250 rupees. So next up, I got 3 nail paints. So the first one is this Nykaa Nail Enamel. It is in the shade Barefoot Stroll 262. You get 9 ml of product and it retails for 179 rupees. I love this shade. It is like a very nude, muted, pinky sort of a shade and I absolutely love this. However, I feel that on darker complexions, this is not gonna look very flattering, so I would not recommend you to go for this. But otherwise, for like medium skin tone also, it's gonna look really nice. So I really love this. Then I have this Faces Canada Splash in the shade, what's the shade? It's in the shade 32 Nutty. So this is like the perfect brownie nude shade you can ever have. I feel this is gonna suit people with all skin tones. And yeah, as I said, this is like the perfect nutty brownie nude color. Love this. The last one is from Lakme. It is their Color Crush Nail Art thingy. It has this glitters all over. It's not a single solid color nail paint. It has glitters all around. It has like a black base and on top of that it has all these chunky glitter particles. So yeah, I also love this. This is in the shade, it is S7. I don't know if it has some names or not, but here it is mentioned S7. These L18 Colourpop matte lipsticks. So I have already used them, like quite a few shades. I have used them when they were initially launched a few years back. But then when I saw these again, I was like, let's get them. So yeah, I have got these in the shades Rose Day. So this is like a very nice pinky shade. Can you see? It's a very nice magenta kind of dark poppy pink color. Not poppy exactly, but it's like a dark bold pink color. And then I've got this Rockstar Red. This is again a very nice neutral to undertoned red. This is lovely. I love this as well. So the only drawback about these lipsticks is that they say that these are matte, but these are not at all matte. These give you a very shiny finish. So that's the thing that I don't like about these. Otherwise, the formula is really nice and comfortable to wear. I really love these for that. The next shade is Mauve Date. And this is again a very nice mauvey purpley pinky color. Love these. So these are the shades. This is the Mauve Date, this is Rockstar Red, this is Rose Day. All the three shades are lovely. I really love these. Next up is a lip balm. It's the Nivea Original Care Bullet lip balm. I am not a huge fan of this. I like the tube version of this better, but still I got this, so I might use it, or I don't know, I might not use it as well. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but I don't like it. I feel this does not give you enough moisture like the tube one, because it is like a lipstick, right? It's a bullet, it's like a lipstick, so it's more balmy, you know, it's more balmy, and it feels like you are applying something full of silicone on your lips. Whereas the other one, like the tube one, it's really hydrating and moisturizing. You can even apply it at night like a thick layer, and when you wake up in the morning, your lips feel so freaking soft. I can't even explain you, I'm not even exaggerating, it's so freaking soft. I really love it. Then I got again two refills. So these are the Maybelline Lip Gradations in the shade Red 2. I freaking love these lipsticks. I mean, you can already tell I love them so much that I've got two refills, and yeah, this is just awesome. Having said that, these do not last you for really long. These are not transfer proof at all. These are matte, like I would say these are creamy matte. These are not completely matte. And also because these are creamy matte, they do not last on you for very long time. They transfer a lot. I can't even tell how much they transfer, but still, because of the formula, it is very comfortable to wear for a really long time, and it's not an issue. You can reapply it if you feel like the color is fading, which is not very necessary. I mean, it hardly fades away. It is there, it transfers, but it's still there, so that's a very good thing. You also have this sponge applicator at the rear end to get like a gradient Korean lips, but I have never used it even earlier, and in the future as well I'm not gonna use this. I like to use this completely like opaque finish wale lipstick, you know. I don't like gradient lips at all. The shade is a very pretty cool toned red. It's like a very bold red, and I simply love this. Next up is a body wash. So I got this Palmolive crushed coconut and jojoba butter extract wali thermal spa body wash. This is like a body wash come body scrub, because it has tiny scrubbing particles in it. This smells heavenly, you guys. I have talked about this in one of my top 10 all-time favorite products, and this is amazing. Next up is a refill. I got this Biotic Bio Cucumber Toner. I was not using this lately. I was using my plum toners, but then those got over, so I thought of giving this a try yet again, and I really love this. This has a very strong aromatic kind of a fragrance. It might feel a bit harsh on your nose, like if you sniff it. So yeah, the fragrance is really strong, but having said that, the product is really amazing. This really nicely hydrates and also removes all the left out dirt and gunk from your skin, so I really love it. This has the goodness of cucumber and also Himalayan water, so I don't know how they got it, but who cares. It's a really good pore tightening and cleansing toner. I really love this. Next, I got this Mamaearth Argan Hair Mask. This is again a refill. I have been using this for I don't know how long. This is like my 4th or 5th tub. I don't remember exactly, but या वैसा ही कुछ होगा, 4th या 5th वाला. Out of all the Mamaearth products that I have used so far, this is the only product that I loved. I am being brutally honest with you guys with this. It helps to reduce the frizziness of your hair. Also, it gives your hair a very nice silkiness and smoothness. You get 200 ml of product and it retails for 599 rupees, which I think is okay for a hair mask because the quantity is enough for you to last you for like 10 to 20 washes. Then I got something interesting. So this is the P-Safe Toilet Seat Sanitizer. It is in the variant Lavender. You get 50 ml of product here and it retails for 120 rupees. This is the tinier pack. You also get a bigger one, I guess. So I don't think that I need to explain you the purpose of this product. But yeah, in case you don't know, this is basically a toilet seat sanitizer. You can just spray it all over and it helps you to kind of low-key save yourself from germs, bacteria and stuff like that. This I feel comes in handy when you're traveling or you're going out somewhere. At home, I don't think it's really necessary for you unless you're a neat freak. So yeah. Next up, I've got 2 sheet masks from Garnier. Now honestly you guys, I was really done with sheet masks. There was a time when I used to use sheet masks so much and then I really got like, I was over it completely. But then I saw these a few days back on Nykaa and I was like, let's get 2 of these and apply. So we have already come towards the end of today's video. So the last product that I have for today, a huge bottle of sanitizers. It is from Himalaya. As you can see, it is a 500 ml ka bottle and it retails for 250 rupees. And it is the orange variant. I absolutely love the fragrance. It is so damn amazing and refreshing. So yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you people enjoyed this haul and you liked it. If you did, then please give this a big thumbs up and also share it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll definitely see you with another video. Until then, it's me Akanksha signing off. Bye.